Hi guys, and welcome to Black Stag Styling and AW Smart Repairs. Hopefully it's a welcome back and you've been checking out some of our other videos, or of course have liked and subscribed to our channel. If not, do get on the old channel, check out some of the other videos, because there's lots of different things on there that may be of interest to you. But of course, on this occasion, you are joining us for the work we are now about to undertake on this Land Rover Defender. It's the 110. We over the years we've done all sorts of stuff with the Defenders, but we thought we would video this one just to show you what we're doing. So we've got two main things we're doing to this vehicle. One is sound deadening the interior using the Dynamat product that we stock, and then we're also doing the black wax oil treatment to the underside of the vehicle as well. This video is going to be for the sound deadening, so stay tuned for this. We're going to go right through the process, stripping out the interior, prepping everything, applying our Dynamat sound deadening. We'll be using the Extreme Dynamat and possibly a little bit of Dynalite, but the main one will be the Dynamat Extreme. Front to back, all of the floor and the doors as well, we'll be sticking this to. Make a big difference to the road noise and exterior sound coming into the interior of the cab. So stay tuned for this one. We're going to get it into the workshop, get everything stripped. Don't forget, do check out the other video as well, which will be either on the channel or coming very soon, when we'll be doing the black wax oiling treatment to the underbody. We are also Raptor coating, prepping and Raptor coating the rear cross member as well, just to give a bit of extra protection and a nicer look to that as well. Stay tuned, we're going to get it into the workshop. Don't forget, do please like and subscribe to the old channel. We'll get this cracking underway because there's quite a bit to be doing to this. So roll the intros and we'll speak to you in a minute. Thanks very much. Right, so Rob is getting on nicely now. We're stripping the interior, ready for the Dynamatting. So we'll have a look, see how he's getting on. Got a few bits out of the back already, haven't we, Rob?
Yep, good.
Doing very well now, taking the rear section of carpet out. Lovely, there we go. Look, back seats all out. A few more.
Hello?
Solid as a rock. So a few more bits to get stripped out of the back. We've also got all the door cards to remove as well. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. Moving on to the front very shortly. Still the same as the original Defenders, how they're all put together. Even though this is a much newer version of the 110, but still the same how they're all taken apart. Doing a lovely job there, Rob.
Oh, thank you very much.
Right, so Rob's cracking on nicely with the Dynamatting. Here's the product just here. So we'll quickly just show you the Dynamat. It's not too thick, but it is fantastic for the old sound deadening. That way, not adding too much weight. So we're going to need about sort of 3 kits to do the interior and the door cards. There we go, there's the product. And Rob is cracking on nicely. How you getting on, mate?
Yeah, lovely. Going on a treat.
Superb, there we go. Get the first few bits in the passenger footwell. And as you can see, everything is now stripped out. Pretty much anyway, yeah, pretty much everything's out. Yeah. Ready to get the all sound deadening in.
Lovely.
Right, we're just over with Rob, who's cracking on nicely with this.
Yeah.
Fair amount of the floor now all done, as you can see.
Make a bum out of one.
You are fine, mate, you are fine. So, yeah, that's all going in nicely. You getting on all right with that?
Yeah, it's lovely.
It's not bad stuff to fit, is it, really?
No, it's nice. It's just your hand's a bit rough after the day, but
Yeah. You moisturise though, didn't you, mate?
yeah, I moisturise.
Right, so we have now set up with Dynamat to be one of their dealers. So we are, as you know, we already supply and fit the Dynamat, but we now are officially one of their dealers. So we have a lovely little display at our office. So we'll show you this. So just so we can go through all the stuff of our customers now with the products right here in front of us. So you've got the Dynaliner side of things there, which is like your insulation, bits and pieces like that, and of course the Dynamat for all the soundproofing. All here. So really pleased with the display, looking really smart, and like I say, now we can go through all the products with our customers, and then of course hopefully get them all booked in and get some Dynamat fitted to their vehicles. Don't forget to give us a shout at Black Stag Styling if we can help with any of this. Right, we're now going to go and see how Rob's getting on with the Defender, as he is moving along nicely with this. I think the interior, other than the doors, are all now sound deadened, so we're going to go and have a look. Just thought I'd show you this as well. We've got a rather cool Audi Q8 in at the moment, so we're nearly done with this. We've repainted a load of bits in the black because they were wrapped. Front and rear bumper completely is done, and we've hydro dipped the interior. So this is going to be on another one of our YouTube videos, so where you can make out the hydro dipping all across the interior. So do check that out on the channel. A few more bits left to do on that, but right, let's have a little look at the Defender. Hello Rob.
Hello.
How we doing, mate?
Right, just remembering where everything goes.
At least you know it all goes in here anyway.
Oh yeah.
Can't be too bad. I'm sticking to the floor. Right, so Rob is now putting the carpet back in, as you can see. Look at this, look. So all the sound deadening is installed. Still got to do all the door cards, so they've got to come off and be done as well behind the door cards. But looking good. And Rob's looking good as well, of course.
Always.
Right, we'll leave him to crack on with that. Right, pretty much all the interior are back in, rear seats are back in now. And then moving around, Rob is now finishing fitting all the carpet, and then of course we'll be getting the seats back in. Right, we're just back over with the Defender now. The interior is all done as in under the carpet areas, so that's all finished. Rob is now cracking on with doing the inner door areas. So door cards are off, or coming off, and then all being Dynamated inside the door. So like normal, I'll let you have a little look at this. So it's now about to take the door card off the rear door, but the front door has already had the door card off and Dynamated inside the door. So there we go, just show you inside there. So it's managed to get right up inside there, so that'll make a nice difference through the doors, and then to get everything fitted back on and crack on with the other door cards. Right, Rob has now finished the doors, so the back door is all done as well. So we've got as much of the Dynamat sound deadening on the rear door as possible. All the other doors are now all done, so it will now be over to Rob to get the last door card fitted all back on. Won't it, Rob?
Yeah, lovely.
There we go. Well, that brings us to the end of another one of our videos here at AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. It's always a pleasure working on all the vehicles we get in, but particularly we do love our Defenders, as that's sort of pretty much where Black Stag Styling originated from. So it's been a pleasure having this one in to do some work. Very good customer of ours, so big thanks to Steve for again trusting us with another one of your lovely vehicles. So as you know, it's been the Defender 110 special edition one this, so it's been in with us to have all the sound deadening installed. So as you'll have seen through the process, it was remove all the interior, so seats, carpet, all the trims that we needed to for the lower area or sort of floor area of the vehicle, and then prep everything, install the Dynamat. So this is the Dynamat Extreme we've used for this. So the whole floor has been done, and then of course all the carpet refitted, seats, trims, everything like that. Of course, we've then done the doors as well, so door cards all off. Inner sections of the doors have been fitted with the Dynamat Extreme as well. This gives another, sort of dimension to the sound deadening of the vehicle, because let's face it, all the Defenders are noisy anyway. You're never going to get away from them being a little bit on the noisy side, because they are an agricultural bit of equipment. But the Dynamat just helps nicely to alleviate some of that road noise and sound. So all been installed, everything refitted, of course the interior all valeted as well, and then ready to go back to Steve. So hopefully you'll be happy with this. As you'll possibly know, so we've also done the underside of the vehicle with the black Waxall. This is on another video, so if it's not on the channel already, it will be very soon, or vice versa, because we're doing the two separate videos, so check that out as well. Again, thanks again for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe to the old channel. Stay fully up to date with everything we're doing that way. Turn on the old notifications, and then you won't miss a single thing, because you'll be notified as soon as we do a new video. Lots of cool stuff up and coming. Check them out in the future. We're going to give you a last look around the vehicle, of course, to finish, and hopefully we'll see you again in the near future. Thanks very much.